Let's go in because I really hate it when it's windy like this. You okay, Nas?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and welcome back to my channel. Well, today is Wednesday and it is already 1:30 in the afternoon and I'm just uploading. In fact, I'm editing my yesterday's vlog which I haven't uploaded yet. It's actually brunch time. I'm just waiting for Nas to join in. She's preparing her brunch and I've got some exciting brunch on my plate today, and maybe we'll watch some nice movie as well. It's quite windy outside and there's no sun at all, so it's quite dark, and we may go outside today as we've got some work to finish off, and also maybe we will meet Nas's other sisters. So let's see, we haven't planned anything yet, but I'm just going to turn my camera and show you some exciting things that I have on my plate. Nas has made some fresh chips, mushrooms, I guess it's a creamy mushroom, spinach, and some greens. I don't know what they are. I've got some vegan chicken as well. Well, it's 7 o'clock in the evening and we have just come to Manchester stores, and trust me, it's so windy outside and the store is open for another hour, and Nas has got her list ready, so we didn't have many things to get, just a few things as we need some fresh veggies and garlic and things and stuff. Looks like this is the right time to come for shopping because there's no queue and nothing. We can quickly do our shopping. And my hair is so messy right now because it was windy, and trust me, it just messed all my hair. Our trolley is getting full. Pulse is something that we need. We need jeera for sure. Jeera. We take 1.99. This jeera. So this is how they spell barbecue. Barbecue masala.
Barbecue.
That's funny. Pulao, chapoli, kebab, all that. We've got whatever we needed. Let's go. Worried now. I don't want everything to fly away. Nas, just have a look. I don't want everything to fly away. It's open now. Well, we got everything that we needed, and we had decided to go for a coffee from here, maybe just for a drive, and we haven't been outside for a while, so we thought we'll just go for a coffee in Starbucks or something. But I think now that we might not go, only because we got some frozen things and we don't want to defrost it while sitting in the car. So it's better we go home and put everything in the freezer. I'm just waiting for Nas. She's just gone to leave the trolley there, and then I will ask her. Nas will go home straight away.
No, I need to get to Morrison's.
Oh yeah, from Morrison's, because I don't want to get those. I don't want to defrost those things.
No, it's okay because I'm going to marinate them tonight.
Okay. No, we have got plenty of other things as well. That's why.
Oh no.
It's okay, no problem.
No, we should be fine.
From Manchester stores right now we have come to Morrison's because Nas needed few more things, but which we don't get it in Manchester stores. We are there. Hi. Oh, this one is close up. They look good on CCTV.
It's good. Oh, this one.
Father Christmas is already here on cornflakes. I haven't seen it on anywhere else but just on cornflakes.
Yeah, it's Christmas.
Toasted flakes, honey. I need the honey ones. I didn't know they had Oreo cereal, but I'm not gonna have them. That would be too much sugar. This one is my favorite. Not favorite, this is what I prefer, but then today I'm going to get this one. This is okay. That's what sound is this? What is it? Who kept it here? It's like
Bubbles on your arm.
really? This is quite irritating. It's just playing up with my mind. Stop it. Oh, does kid like it?
Just put it there.
Now, do you think kids like it?
Yeah.
It's just messing up with my head.
These kids are irritating.
My head's spinning. Because you said kids are irritating. They like irritating stuff.
Yep. Oops, that's so
Self-edged
cool.
cameras are used to help us understand stock levels. They do not capture image of customers. I don't believe they should be capturing. But it's cool. It's a good thing. What's this?
Do we need some ghee?
Soya sauce. It should be in the Chinese section, not here. It's here? Is it this? Yeah, we found it. Soya sauce. What? £1?
That's 4 times cheaper.
I just hate it when this light goes off. Okay, so from here we're going straight home, so...
No, we're going to get some petrol.
And then, right?
And then we're going to go and get a coffee that's just over there.
Because then it's too late. We have to make some dal and stuff.
What time is... Oh my god, I just
Just better
realised.
go home because... Let's go and get some diesel.
Go to the first ones now.
Yes, because the tank is your
Where this
side.
white car is.
Yeah, but we can also go that side. Can we not? On number 7?
Number 9.
No, number 7. Swerve there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Can go there, yeah?
If there's
No
anything.
one's there.
Yeah. If it's working, yeah.
Yeah, why not? Number 7. Looks like this should be fine. Yeah?
Yeah, go to number 1.
Well, there's some difference in
Yeah, go to number 1.
diesel. Okay, let's go number 1.
Just put... This is my back.
Oh. Your bag is inside, backside. Okay.
Yeah, I've got it.
Okay. You need change or?
Just keep it in there. Any special ones?
I didn't think so. No. That's it.
See.
I'll put this here. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we need
Yeah.
to check. And then we're going straight
Oh, you
home.
turned it here. I want to go home now, actually.
Yeah, we better go home now. Alright, so it's 11 o'clock right now, and as soon as we reached home, we straight away went into the kitchen and started cooking. So now I also have food to take for work. I've just made some dal, that is ampti. There's some rice, and this is what Nas made, sabzi. That's a mixed gobi sabzi, and I fried. I know it's a lot of papad, but that's what happens to me when I see this is my mom made papad. My mom gave this, and of course I just needed some veg rolls, which I can take tomorrow as well if that. And again, I really like eating banana like this. Oops, I don't want to drop it. And it's time to eat food. I'm just so looking forward to it and so excited. And also I have to go back to work tomorrow. So I guess I'm going to end my vlog here today. And I hope you have enjoyed my vlog. If you have seen my vlog till here, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And I will see you all again tomorrow. Good night everyone. Bye.